Well, it finally happened. I got kicked out of my apartment complex. And you know what? I don't even know. I can't even explain to you why. I don't even know why they would do that, to be honest with you. I don't even know what. They didn't even give me a good reason. I'm going to be working out of this space now, this orifice. So, in this video, I'm going to be using my master sales skills to get myself a new workbench. So after reviewing the table and the quality of the materials, I think $20 would be a fair price for this table. I know you had it listed at $40, but I mean, you can see this table just as well as I can. I think $20 is fair.
No.
Okay. And then we're gonna clean this bad boy out and get it looking pretty. So let's get into it. So here is my blank canvas that I will be turning into my Mona Lisa. Very exciting. And I got a little helper with me, right buddy? Dude, stop eating that. Hey. Alright, well, if you guys want to see this workshop in action and see some of the new projects I got coming up, stay tuned for that. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.